Shall I continue from where I left?
No, let me introduce you once again. I have with me
Okay.
Sri Asaram Alamchandani ji. He is from Sindh, Pakistan, Karachi, Pakistan. He is an engineer, writer, religious scholar. So, Dada, I was asking you, is your country aggressively testing the patients or they are relying only on the symptoms?
They are only relying on that the test, but
Hmm.
somewhere it is proved that the test done by government they are not reliable, whereas
Hmm.
the private sector, I mean to say the biggest hospital of Pakistan, that is Aga Khan setup, that test is very reliable. Even
Okay.
though two lawmakers of Sindh province, they too have complained that the government test is not reliable, and whereas the private that is reliable. So
Hmm.
that is the main issue. But let me tell you, my birth area, the district Tharparkar, that is free of coronavirus. That is a
Oh,
great
wonderful.
thing. Yes, that is a great thing. This is only the
Wonderful.
one district out of 29 districts of Sindh that is
Your
free of
district is in
corona.
Sindh.
Yeah, that is
Okay.
in
Okay.
Sindh.
Wonderful.
Yeah, there are
Wonderful.
29 districts in Sindh, out of which one is Tharparkar, and
Sir,
my
Dada,
birth
how far is it from Sakkar? How far is it from Sakkar?
from Sakkar it is very far away, but from Karachi it is hardly 4 hours drive. And
Okay.
the
Okay.
road is very highly, I mean to say, international level, because the
Hmm.
Tharkol field is there. So that's why they have made everything perfect over there. So that is the
Fine.
thing, and mostly they are relaxed. People are not following SOP, which
Hmm.
they must follow, but people are not used to, and there is something new for them. Now the thing is, uh, um, it should have been at the international level, but people are very much what I
I
can
know.
say
Yeah, people
uh,
are not very aware of the
cooperative,
impact of
cooperative,
COVID. Yeah, they are
cooperative,
not
and
very
not aware
cooperative.
of
The
that
lack
thing,
of
and they are not highly
awareness in
educated.
education. Yeah, lack of awareness in education, basically.
Even educated people are not following.
Are you satisfied with the Imran Khan government during this
Government is
COVID?
okay. Government is nothing wrong with the government, or but there are some differences which every government have, and with the provinces. But
Is
otherwise,
Pakistan also under lockdown? Is Pakistan also under
yeah,
lockdown?
yeah. Every the entire country was under lockdown, and now from
Okay.
yesterday they have relaxed.
Okay, it's relaxed now.
Yeah, it is relaxed now,
In
and the
in in
shops are
India, it is
open.
okay.
Shops are open, and
Hmm.
but for a certain time, not
Hmm.
completely, only for 4 days a week, and 3 days
Okay.
there will be complete lockdown,
Hmm.
and that's all.
Okay. In India, the lockdown is till 17th, and we don't know whether the government will extend it or not.
I know. I get messages from there. I get news from there. So you
Hmm.
have more strict lockdown as
Hmm.
compared to our country.
Okay. Dada, tell me the impact of this COVID on Sindhi community. So keeping in
Uh,
mind that this mostly Sindhi community is a trading community, they are into businesses more than services or jobs or professionals.
Now look, definitely it has very not much bad impact, but the thing is, our mostly peoples are settled in uh, I mean to say in other districts of Sindh, and where the corona impact is not much as compared to Karachi. Karachi is
Okay.
on the much
It's
high
worst affected.
level.
It's worst affected.
Yeah, yeah. And the thing is, some doctors are got affected, and
Hmm.
I think one or two doctors they are affected, and they have lost their life also.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah. They are Sindhi Hindus, and otherwise, Karachi is more affected, where Sindhi Hindu are very few. Otherwise, there is nothing wrong. But in Karachi, there are some other Gujarati speaking, Urdu speaking Hindus also, uh, maybe some affected, but our all temples and prayer places are all closed. Nobody is allowed to go there since last 2 months. Um there is no relaxation at all. But this is Ramzan going on, so peoples are going other way around also,
So
trying to.
are you facing any kind of partiality between the Sindhis minorities
No,
and the
no,
Muslim community?
no,
It's
not
for the
at
same.
all.
The rules and strictness is all for the same.
Every all the rule is for everyone same.
Hmm.
Nothing different from
Same for all.
for Hindus or for Muslims. Everything
Okay.
is same.
So
As for the government
normally
is
there
same.
is a complaint against Pakistan government that there is partiality with the minority community, or there is no such case in Corona.
There are few, you can say, culprit that
Hmm.
everywhere it is so.
But
Otherwise, we are enjoying.
overall the intention is not bad.
No, no, no. We are enjoying. I am here. I am serving since last 50 years in corporate
Wonderful,
sector.
wonderful.
So I have not faced any a single day issue. Even I have worked with army people. They are very nice and kind to us, and they have never said you are Hindu and you are Muslim or we are Muslim. So nothing is wrong with us.
But the other recently, in October, November, I think, no, it was September 2019, there was a case of Namrata Chandani, who in Delhi, several organizations unitedly protested against the murder of that girl. So every now and then we hear about the incidents, the cruelty against the minorities. Don't you think it is an agenda
So
against?
that is what that was a specific case, a particular case, and that was in between two boys and the girl. So it was nothing
The girl
against the
was the
community.
medical student. The
Yeah,
girl
she
was a
was
medical student.
final year medical student, and but it was a personal issue with the boys. There was nothing like community. Otherwise, forced conversion is there, but now it has also decreased due to this lockdown or something that maybe. However, uh, uh, at the moment, there is nothing wrong with community.
So we the Sindhis in India should take your word and relax that our brothers and sisters in Pakistan are safe and sound.
Yes, we are safe. We are safe. Nothing,
Wonderful. Thank you. And
nothing wrong.
we are grateful to Imran Khan for this. Okay, Dada, getting back to the COVID issue,
Yeah.
what are your suggestions to the governments worldwide?
Worldwide, our situation, I shared something with you on a report. One is made by me. There
Okay.
are complications which everywhere are so, and no one is diagnosed at all. The other complication, if uh, um, um, one is diagnosed positive COVID-19, then he is okay and he is to go in the isolation ward, and
Quarantine ward.
yeah, quarantine ward, and the things go complicated if he has some other complications, and which are not diagnosed at all and which are not medicated at all. But the
Hmm.
one thing I have seen, Chinese, they say it started from China,
Hmm.
and only one
Wuhan,
one
city of Wuhan.
one city, one city, one city.
Hmm.
I have visited
Hmm.
China for 4 times, and
Okay.
they normally drink hot water and
Hmm.
the green tea and coffee. If they drink, that is also without milk. That is the black
Okay.
coffee.
Black
The
coffee.
thing is, they say we are taking inhaling 4 times steam, and we drink 3 to 4 times hot drink, and after that we are not exposed to anything else, and washing hands and all these things, that is everyone following the the things, but not at all other part of the China is affected from that. Why? One
Hmm.
thing.
That's a good
Secondly,
question.
secondly, I have read the old some sort of history that whatever the epidemic, this disease started, that started
Yeah.
from China. Why? I don't know. What is the reason behind that? And the third one, what I have got from some astrologer, that last in the end of 2019, there was uh, Suraj Grahan and Chand Grahan.
Yeah,
Now,
yeah. And there's another one in June.
there will be another one in June, and
Yeah.
but June that won't affect much in the South Asia area. That will be on the
Okay.
other part of the world. The thing is, when the this Grahan appears, there is a totally blackness, and if it is full, now the while we are getting brightness and heat from sun world over, and
Hmm.
it says, our religion says, astrologer says, that some sort of bacteria and virus, they are grown in that darkness, and that affect the entire world or the
Hmm.
area which is coming under the full darkness. This is really a thing, because heat kills the bacteria and the virus. But this
Dada, this is
virus,
also
so
this is
now
actually
this,
this is
let me tell you one thing.
okay,
Now
okay,
this
okay.
virus is appeared from China, from only one city. That
Hmm.
is the question. That why that means our astrology have some maybe scientific reason behind that, but that thing uh, is really questionable. Now tell me.
Okay, I was telling you that heat or temperature has nothing to do with this COVID because there was a study which said that 40 degrees above 45 degrees or 42 degrees, coronavirus cannot survive. But if you see a trend in India, the cities like Uttarakhand or
Yeah,
Himachal Pradesh, which are hilly areas,
I know.
which
I have
are
visited that.
yeah, which are cooler than other areas like Chennai
Yeah.
or Bangalore, they have less than 10 cases there. And whereas the
Oh,
hot cities like Chennai or Bangalore, they have thousands of cases. So this theory that it doesn't survive in heated areas or hot areas rather is actually contradictory.
okay. That could be. That could be. That could
Hmm.
be. I do agree with that one.
Yeah, that's what the
Means
stats does.
our astrology is not correct.
No. I am not questioning the astrology. I am a believer of astrology, Indian astrology. But this particular point that COVID will, die down once the temperature rises in May, June in India. It's growing. It's a very rapid phase. It has speed up. Now the
Yes.
corona is growing in. There are almost 4,000, 5,000 cases per day in India now in May, in the
Oh,
month of May. Yeah. Okay, Dada, let's move to the next question.
yeah.
Let's move to the next question. My question was, mm, do you believe this is a man-made virus?
What is studied from the news and something, they say it is leakage from the Wuhan, from the
Hmm.
laboratory, and
Yeah.
that only disturbed Wuhan and not the China. They made control over there, and now they are free and they are doing the business. And the other people say that is something China has done deliberately to
Hmm.
control the world economically. They are doing
Yeah.
business, and the entire world is closed, lockdown, and they are doing something that
That
business
is why
that could
that
be.
is why
And
Trump called it a Chinese virus.
yes, Trump is saying that's it, that thing, and
Hmm.
I don't deny that thing. It could be.
It could be. Okay. So, Dada, how do you see the world progressing post-COVID area? Era, not area. Post-COVID era. How do you see the
What?
world? Will it be the same? Will it be the same?
No, 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 no. There will be lot of loss of peoples and economy, and that will
Hmm.
the impact of economy is already affected the countries, and the unemployment is gone very high.
Hmm.
The in America it is in millions. unemployment, and the people's not even in the Middle East, they were going very well. The oil prices are come on the bottom price, and the dollar is getting something wrong. But China has started ERMB. ERMB means they have already started that thing. The China's intention is to one sort of say centralize the dollar.
Dollar.
Dollar is
So
at the
they are
moment
basically
dominant,
bringing a
world
e
dominant.
currency.
Yeah. Now let us see how it is going on, and that they are Chinese are lending money to the developed countries like our country. CPAC project that is going on, and some power projects, railway projects, communication road projects. All these are going on. So there are
Do you
whatever it
do,
is.
do do you see any chance of World War III because of this COVID? Even though this COVID is not less than a world war, it is a bio war
This is not
basically.
less than not less than a third world
Yeah,
war. It is
it
a
has brought all entire world to a standstill.
entire people is saying that thing.
Hmm. Okay, Dada, your message for the Sindhis worldwide.
My message is to stay safe at home, and please try to save yourself from this disease. And further, I can't say anything. Everyone is more competent, clever, and can think about everything. But what I see, uh, death, no one can deny. One day has to
Hmm.
come, but how to
Definitely.
come, that depends upon. The reason is from the God side. God never take on himself that I am going to kill, but everything is from that side. Everyone has a limited life, but the reason is there. It could be corona, it could be something else. Nobody knows. But one
Okay.
thing I must tell you that
Hmm.
prayers do work, and prayers like we believe in Mahamrityunjaya mantra, and if one is chanting that one, definitely he will remain safe. So let us say that we shall believe in that one and chant as much as one can to uh, save himself and herself and family.
So
This is my
basically, you are
message.
saying that dawa and daru both will work.
दोनों दोनों
Dawa and
दोनों
dua,
yes
dawa and dua.
yeah yeah दारू तो खैर
Okay.
something different.
Daru is not allowed in India right now. You have to take a e-pass and then stand in long queues. Only then you get the daru.
Yeah,
It's a situation
but
very great for those who want
I
daru
I
right
was
now.
I was expecting Sindhi Sammelan in Pune
Hmm.
that was managed
In
by
October.
in October. So I don't
Hmm.
know. I got registered through Peter Galvani. I shall be one of the speaker over there, but I don't know whether it will be conducted or not, or it will be
No,
postponed
I was
till.
told by him he was here at the studio and he told us that he has postponed for the timing.
Okay, so it
Hmm.
may go next year sometime. I have
Yeah.
attended
Okay.
one Sammelan in Los Angeles in 2009.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah,
One last question.
yeah.
Yeah, please complete. Please complete. Please complete. Please complete. What were you saying?
Sorry?
You were saying something?
No, that's all.
Okay. My last question to you is the Sindhis of Pakistan, do they expect anything from their Indian counterparts?
Not really, because Sindhis, Sindhi Hindu, I mean to say, we are
Hmm.
safe here, we are doing well here, but in somewhere something if happen, that is with a particular family or with some particular girl, but not. all everyone over there. There are some culprits. I told you, they do something, but we damn care for these things. I
Okay,
am
so you are
brave. I
basically
am
safe
brave.
and sound. Okay, so you
So
are basically safe and sound.
I don't care for anything.
Okay. On this note, Dada, I would like to thank you very much for taking time out for this interview. Your interview was taken by the organization Indus Sindhi organization. I was your anchor. I hope you liked it, the concept.
Okay, Nitin, thank you so much for your kindness, and I must thanks Peter Dalwani who has referred my name. And secondly, I'm thankful to Dada Mohan Dadlani who introduced me with Peter Dalwani and all this. Dada Mohan Dadlani, he is in Los Angeles. He is
Hmm.
from Pune, Mumbai, and because of him, I visited USA Sindhi Sammelan in 2009. Then he arranged one lecture of mine in New York also, in Lakshmi Narayan Temple, Queens area. He is very kind to me all the time, and I'm really thankful. All of these friends, I have met so many peoples. I will share something of my first visit that will be with you, and I have shared
Okay.
some of my writings also, and you
Hmm.
might have seen that thing. Otherwise, you can show the peoples. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Namaskar.
Dada. Jai Jai Jhulelal.
जय झूलेलाल